हेलो, गुड आफ्टरनून, नमस्कार, आदाब। मेरा नाम है आरजे राज। आप देख रहे हैं 291st एपिसोड ऑफ नागपुर मोस्ट हैपनिंग एंड वॉच्ड फेसबुक लाइव शो, जिसका नाम है राज की बात। छतरपुर फार्म्स प्रेजेंट्स राज की बात इन एसोसिएशन विद कामतन दुरुक्कर वेल्थ मैनेजर्स, my education partner Globus ITI Committee, four-wheeler driving partner Mbazalwa Driving School, Tirupati Urban Cooperative Bank, Rosetta Elite Club, and of course Servicing Wala has been my partners. Really want to thank them. Freshly Baked and my chocolate partner is Tricos. Well, it's a big day for me. I tell you why. One interview I've been praying and I've been trying hard to get through, and I meet someone to whom I think a lot of girls, I think many thousands of girls in India look upon. A lot of people call her a rebel. बहुत सारे लोग इन्हें कहते हैं स्मैशिंग एक्सप्रेस, और साथ ही साथ ये बोलने में सोचती नहीं है, क्योंकि ये जो भी कहती हैं दिल से कहती हैं। मेरे साथ इस वक्त इंडियन बैडमिंटन लेजेंड है। मैं नाम बताने से पहले आज उनको दिखा दूं, आप समझ जाएंगे कि वो कौन है। प्लीज वेलकम द वन एंड ओनली ज्वाला गट्टा। हाय ज्वाला।
Hi.
हाउ आर यू?
I'm good.
Well, it's such an honor meeting you and it's such an honor interviewing you.
Thank you.
Before, I have a lot of questions to ask you.
Okay.
Yeah? So I'll be really rapid and really quick with it.
Okay.
ज्वाला गुट्टा को गुस्सा क्यों आता है?
Actually मुझे गुस्सा बहुत कम आता है, ये लोगों को पता नहीं है। But I think जब भी कोई injustice या गलत हो रहा है तब definitely गुस्सा नहीं, disappointed होती हूँ and I voice it out.
14 नेशनल चैंपियनशिप जीतना,
Yeah.
14 उस लेवल तक पहुंचाना, इंडिया को नंबर 6 नंबर पर ले जाना वर्ल्ड में, इट्स अ बिग थिंग, इट्स अ वेरी बिग थिंग। यू वर अ स्ट्राइकर, यू वर अ स्मैशर। जब लोगों को पता चलता था कि द मैच इज अगेंस्ट इन मिक्स्ड और इन डबल्स अगेंस्ट ज्वाला गुट्टा, कहीं ना कहीं इंटरनेशनल प्लेयर्स को भी पसीना आ जाता था। व्हाई डिड यू स्टॉप?
It's an old story, मैं रियो से वापस आई तो फिर पता चला कि मुझे फिर से टीम से निकाल दिया गया था विदाउट एनी रीजन, और ये भी बोला था कि 2020 पे हम फोकस कर रहे हैं एंड योर एज डज नॉट परमिट, एंड वही द ओल्ड स्टोरी कि you won't be as fit. We are not expecting, but मेरा यही कहना है कि who are you to judge? I was your number one player. I just got back from Rio Olympics. अभी fresh, I just got back like within a week. और बोलते हैं मुझे नेशनल टीम से निकाल दिया, कैंप से निकाल दिया। I was like, see, I understand that कि maybe I won't be able to perform, but the juniors can learn from me.
True.
बहुत कम लड़कियां खेलती हैं स्पोर्ट्स, और जब मैं जो इतना एक्सपीरियंस जो मैंने सीखा है और जो मैंने किया है, इसके वजह से अगर जूनियर्स को हेल्प होता है तो इट वुड हैव बीन गुड। एंड बहुत कम गिने चुने, डबल्स में तो है ही नहीं लड़कियां। इफ यू सी, अगर इस बार ओलंपिक्स होता तो हमारे पास लड़कियां नहीं थी कोई क्वालिफाई करने वाली। सो सेम, और मैं थक चुकी थी कि अब रियो के सेकेंड ओलंपिक्स के बाद भी फिर लड़ो, फिर टीम में आओ, एंड देन आई जस्ट नीडेड अ ब्रेक, सो आई जस्ट।
मैं आपके सामने कुछ नाम रखना चाहता हूँ, कुछ चीज़ें रखना चाहता हूँ। मैं चाहता हूँ आप उसमें अपना जो पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है वो आज खुले दिल से कहें। आप वैसे ही दिल से कहते हैं। ट्विटर आपके लिए क्या है?
ट्विटर इज अ प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर आई कैन पुट माई ओपिनियन।
आप जब ओपिनियन डालती हैं तब उस पर कुछ ऑब्जेक्शंस भी बहुत आते हैं, कई बार
आते हैं, बट आई डोंट केयर रियली। और डराने की बहुत कोशिश होती है कि कि हम दे ट्राई टू टॉक डर्टी, बेसिकली मुझे डराने की कोशिश हो रही है कि तुम चुप रहो, बट यही प्रॉब्लम है सबको कि मैं डरती नहीं। तो
इंडियन बैडमिंटन एसोसिएशन, ये जब आपके सामने आता है कौन सी चीज जहन में आती है, क्या सोचती हैं आप?
एसोसिएशन से मेरा प्रॉब्लम कुछ है नहीं एक्चुअली। एक ही आदमी जो पूरे डिसीजंस लेता है तब मुझे प्रॉब्लम होती है। वो गलत है। एक आदमी को इतनी सारी पावर्स नहीं देना चाहिए और यू नो ही और शी कैन यूज इट टू देयर एडवांटेज, और वही हो रहा है। एंड एसोसिएशन से मेरा यही है कि आपने एक आदमी पर इतनी सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज देने की, क्योंकि है बहुत सारे अलग लोग, यू नो देयर आर लॉट ऑफ अदर सीनियर्स हु कुड हैव बीन पार्ट ऑफ द एसोसिएशन एंड पार्ट ऑफ द सिलेक्शन प्रोसेस, वो जो नहीं था। तो मेरा बस वही प्रॉब्लम है, अदरवाइज एसोसिएशन से मेरा कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है। और मैं ज़्यादा कंप्लेन भी नहीं करना चाहती एसोसिएशन के, बिकॉज बहुत सारे नॉन बैडमिंटन प्लेयर्स हैं। मेरा प्रॉब्लम यही है जो बैडमिंटन खेल चुके हैं और वही अगर यू नो दे डोंट सी दैट द बैडमिंटन इज डूइंग वेल, और उनके एडवांटेज के लिए अगर वो अपना पावर मिस यूज करते, देन आई हैव अ प्रॉब्लम विद दैट।
A name I should take, I think everybody would really look forward to. This name is something which changes the expression of your face. Gopi Chand sir.
No, not really. Why should it change? He doesn't, you know, affect me like that. But he doesn't make me happy also. He's just another person, and if he's doing wrong, and I'll keep speaking up against it.
Jwala Gutta Academy of Excellence. When you talk about that, what should youngsters look up to it? How should youngsters look at this academy?
They should come and experience it for themselves. And मैंने ये बहुत ही अपने बहुत एक्सपीरियंस से बनाया है। You would say that love of sport or love of because the game has given me a lot. Today I think you're coming and interviewing me is because of badminton, you
True.
know. So I wanted to give back, but I don't want to restrict myself to badminton. I also am going to include other sports soon, and I think I can make an impact over other sports as well.
Well, me interviewing you is not just a reason because of the game. It's also about the persona you have. You speak what you wish, feel like. बट एक स्टेटमेंट आया था 2 दिन पहले नरेंद्र मोदी जी का, हमारे प्रधानमंत्री जी का, जिन्होंने कहा कि आंदोलन जीवी एक नई जमात शुरू हुई है। आप भी एक आंदोलनकारी हैं, बहुत समय से आप एक आंदोलन में लगी हैं, कुछ चेंजेस चाहती हैं आप गेम में, गेम से जुड़े लोगों के साथ।
I think, see, I don't want to comment on what he feels, but आंदोलन की वजह से ही हमें हमारी आज़ादी मिली है, और आज हम हैं यहाँ पे क्योंकि हमारे forefathers ने आंदोलन किया। तो maybe it's not right to make it so small. It's not a small thing, और आसान भी नहीं है आंदोलन करना। हर किसी के बात का नहीं है ये आंदोलन करना, वो भी आंदोलन जो सबके भलाई के लिए, वो भी बहुत मुश्किल है। देखो, खुद के लिए अगर कुछ होता है तो इट्स यू आर फाइटिंग फॉर योर ओन, फॉर योर जस्टिस और इनजस्टिस डन टू यू, बट व्हेन यू आर डूइंग इट फॉर अ कॉज, इट्स नॉट इजी। घर छोड़कर बाहर रोड पर बैठना, और अभी तो फ्रेश जो चल रहा है, फार्मर्स जो घर, इट्स नॉट इजी, हम लोग 3 हफ्ते बैडमिंटन खेलने टूर्नामेंट जाते हैं, एंड वी आर होम सिक, पूरे हमारे कंफर्ट छोड़ के, हम तो होटल में ही रहते हैं, इट्स स्टिल कंफर्टेबल, बट एवरीबडी हु इज protesting for 90 days in Delhi, forget what they're protesting for, whether right or wrong. मैं सोचती हूँ कि डेमोक्रेसी में किसी एक आदमी को भी अगर एक पॉलिसी से प्रॉब्लम है, तो गवर्नमेंट हु इज द हेड ऑफ द बिग फैमिली, he should listen to that one person. It doesn't matter if it is 1 or thousands or lakhs or millions or whatever, but this is how a democracy is run. So one person's problem also is the government's problem, and you have to hear them out.
True. You've played national, you've played international. You understand the game very closely. Yeah. But now when it comes to your academy, yeah, when we talk about the Jwala Gutta Academy of Excellence, what kind of format of the game would you like to teach to the youngsters who look forward to make a career in badminton?
I am not going to coach much, I'm just there as a mentor. I'm going to see that the coaches are well provided for. Coaches should be happy. If we have good coaches, we'll have good players, and that's what I believe. For me, coaches come as top priority and then the players. It's the other way around in our society, in our country, which is, I feel, unfair. We don't give the due respect and due credit to the coaches and teachers in our country. So I want to change that, you know. You see any sporting country, coaches are at most on top and then comes the players, and that's how it should be. And that's when you will make you know, Olympic champions and more Olympic champions, not just one in 1 billion. So and that's my job, you know, to see the ecosystem is run well. I know what a player needs. I also know what a coach needs, and I'm there to look after them.
Well, I'm not comparing you with any other player, but then would like to ask you, a lot of players of, you know, your time who have played in you know, with you, or you know, against you, or probably with the time into a different format of the game, have also nowadays you know, thinking to getting into politics, joining political parties, and you know, getting into a part of rallies. Is Jwala also thinking on the lines of?
If I had to join politics, I'd have joined long time back. I had gotten great offers, but the thing is, I believe that if I have to do good for the society and good for few people, I don't need to be in politics. I can do my bit being me. But in future, if it is needed, I might consider it. But right now, in near future, no, I'm not at all interested. To be in politics, you need to be something else. And somebody wise told me that you need a lot of courage. I don't think I have that kind of a courage.
I'm walking on a very thin line of your personal life, so I give my apologies before asking these questions.
Okay.
Nowadays, a smile on your face comes the moment the name comes Vishnu Vishal.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so
It's normal, isn't it?
yes. So coming from a Chinese mom and a Telugu father, you know, how are things? I mean, how has been things since childhood? What did you learn in Chinese?
I think, you know, having parents from different country altogether, I always encourage intercaste marriages, inter-religion marriages, because you know, the way the person thinks, who are born to, you know, two different set of people, their perspective and their understanding of things is much wider than the rest of the lot. You know, I don't want to degrade it. I'm sure there are a lot of other people in that set of people, but I think there's always a scope of learning more. You know, because in our country we give so much importance to religion and community, and there's so much to learn, right? So if there are two set of people who decide to be together, and then when they have children, what they teach is what they've learned, and both have to be different. And me, I'm lucky, and my mom is Chinese. I learned so much more. I think that's one of the reasons why I kind of treat everybody equally. For me, I'm not very judgmental about where or which community anybody belongs to. My perspective, the way I look at everybody is much different than the other lot.
Wikipedia has known this for a very long time, that you were born in Wardha, a part of Vidarbha. And so do you, I'm just asking for people back home, what kind of connection do you have with Nagpur? Do you have a Nagpur connection?
Yeah, we have, we have a very good connection. This Bharti auntie, who I'm very close to, who's seen me since the time I was born, literally since my childhood, and she's the sweetest person I've ever met. And my parents have a lot of close friends in Nagpur. I have great memories from Nagpur.
So I've got you Haldiram's orange barfi. Were you excited looking at it? Were you happy?
I'm on a diet, so anything sweet will make me happy, but it'll also make me really sad that I cannot eat it.
Okay. When it comes to badminton, the sport, if you look at it, also the sport stars which are, on top numbers are doing a lot of things when it comes to, then playing the game. They are being called to a comedy show, they are doing politics, they are doing a lot of advertisements. Coming to ads, I just wanted to ask you, it's very difficult to convince you to support a brand. Why is that so?
No. Brands don't want to have me because I'm controversial. I never said no to any brand.
Okay.
But yeah, I have my.
You've been choosy.
I have my principles. If I don't believe in the brand, I would not endorse it. Like if there's a sports drink and I don't want to name any, but if there's a sports drink and I'm allergic to sports drink because there's artificial color in it, right? So I would not endorse it because it'll give me, when it can affect me, it can affect many others also. So I'd like to stay away. I'm made differently that way.
Okay. The last two questions I would like to ask. One is, if suddenly one day you wake up and you come to know that you've become the president of the Badminton Association of the country, what changes will you make? 3 changes you want to.
I'll have a different chief coach who is non-biased. I'll not have just one national center. I'll have at least 5-6 national centers all over the country. I will keep changing the selection committee every 2 years.
One message you like to give to all the youngsters who look forward to make a career in badminton, one message coming for them from Jwala Gupta.
It's different. It's difficult to pick up a sport in our country. It's not easy because we're still not a sporting country. But if you want to do it, you'll have to be patient and you'll have to work hard. And it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy, so don't expect anything easy.
One last question, I forgot to ask you that. You've been a little environment friendly person. You have supported people who are into, building up the environment also when it comes to plantations and things like that. A lot of trees are being cut also in Nagpur nowadays to, get into the word of big development. Something you like to say to people who, take these decisions to cut the trees?
See what happened in Uttarakhand, right? The ice glaciers are melting way faster than what it was. So we need to understand this. If we don't protect our environment today, our children will suffer tomorrow. We might not suffer, but our children will.
Will you always be like this, Jwala?
I don't know how to be otherwise.
Thank you for your time and thank you for everything because I've been really waiting a very long time to interview you.
We kept postponing, the circumstances. Even now I have to rush. So
No, but it's an honor talking to you and interviewing you. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah. Well, ज्वाला गट्टा से बात करके एक बात समझ में आ गई है. वो शायद ये शायर ने बहुत खूब कहा है कि हर फूल चमन का श्रृंगार नहीं होता, हर किसी को दिल से प्यार नहीं होता. ए मेरे गुनाहों को परखने वालों, यहाँ कौन है जो गुनहगार नहीं होता. गुनाह किया है तो सुनना तो पड़ेगा और जब बात निकलेगी तो दूर तक जाएगी और अगर नहीं जाएगी तो ज्वाला गुट्टा पहुंचाएंगे. कल शाम को 5 बजे फिर होगी मुलाकात इन राज की बात. तब तक आप अपना ध्यान रखें, सुरक्षित रहें, स्वच्छ रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, मस्त रहें, खुश रहें. सपोर्ट करते रहें उनको जो अपनी बात खुलकर कहते हैं और जिंदा रहें. जय हिंद.